We are staying in room 73 on the 7th floor. And these are a combination. This is a studio size room. Very roomy entrance to the front door. When you walk in, on your right hand side, you come into a closet. It does have an iron board available for you, as well as extra space for hanging. And you also have a broom and a dustpan available. Next, you have your full-size refrigerator. There's a water dispenser. You also get water in there. I'm not sure if it's an additional cost for the water, but you can definitely stay here a couple days and be very well off in cooking and so forth. It does provide an espresso and coffee maker. It does have your amenities as sugar, creamers, have a NutriBullet, and I believe that might be for ice cube, but not sure, it's very high. You also have drawers to have your silverware available. You have your knife sets and cutting utensils, as well as other utensils for cooking, baking, and so forth. You have a small oven here available for you, as well as 2 stovetop burners. You have your microwave on the top there. Top drawer here, we also have our plates. Here we have all the cups, as well as bakingware in the top there. I'm 4'11.5". I am not going to reach. Too short. You have your toaster, phone. You have your sink, very deep. You also have under the sink your wastebasket, as well as a recycle bin. You have your paper towel, dishwash, the pods for the dishwasher, a sponge, and cleaning supply. Over here you have your dishwasher, a drawer size, and also your pans for cooking and pots. You do have a sitting area here, made for 2, as well as your flat screen TV and the bed. Comfy bed, not too bad. You have your closet with the laundry basket, luggage holder, and more storage bins, as well as hangers available and a safe. And over here you have a nice window. Our view was of the cityscape here in downtown Tampa, as well as the arena. The window is very big. It does bring in a lot of light, but it does have shade available. When you pull down the shade, it's right there. It will definitely block out the light. Next, we have the restroom located on the right hand side here. You have your sink. They do provide soap for you, tissue, cotton balls, as well as makeup remover, and all the gels, shampoo, conditioner, and lotion that you need. Comfortable toilet. And then you have your shower, rainfall shower. Very nice. Pressure was great. Shower was very nice and relaxing and comfortable. And last but not least, it does have a washer and dryer available for you. It is located in this closet. In case you do more than one night. We did one night and didn't need to use it. So that is your hotel room tour. It was a very comfortable accommodations. Do recommend. Just remember that everything in this hotel is key room access, no matter where you go in the building. Hope you enjoy and have a great day.